Hey friends, if fans stay on after shutdown in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Press the Windows key and the R key to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. If turn on fast startup is checked, uncheck it. Make sure that it's unchecked. Click on save changes. Okay, once this is sorted, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Okay, and then you can check if any driver is showing up that it's not updated. If that is the case, then update it to the latest version. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and update Windows. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.